Friends, family, esteemed guests, welcome to today's installment of Nateyboy Abroad. Now, today you're in for something delightful. This is the heavily awaited cooking video. Let's show you what we got tonight, okay? Here we got some bread, some cheese, a single carrot, eggs, and ham. Now you might be wondering, what can one make with this? Well, let me tell you. We're going to be recreating a Dunkin ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. Now, you might also be thinking, that is insane, but let me tell you, I'm prepared to take the risks. Let's get started. First, we apply heat to the pan. Every good chef knows you must turn on the stove before cooking, as I have learned. Now today we're using some extra virgin olive oil on that pan, but make sure it's thawed out. You see, this one was previously frozen, so we needed to turn the heat up in the house, and now it's ready to go. Throw some of that on there. Boom. Don't need that anymore. We're good to go. Alright. Let this heat up on medium heat. Because medium sounds good, right? Alright, what's next? Get these eggs open. Fresh batch of eggs here. A whole dozen. We're going to be using a whole dozen today. Okay? Just kidding. We'll use 3. That's all we need. Oh, my spatula isn't clean. Let's get on that before I use up all my gas. Pretty expensive to use all this gas. That's why I don't cook that much, you know? Saves money. I'm not lazy. Allows me to save up. Alright. That's pretty good enough. Terrible. There we go. I don't get hot water through the faucet. I have to use like this portable heater thing that uses gas, but it works. That's interesting. I don't want to, okay. Let's go. First egg in the pan. Let's get another one. Second egg. No issues. Egg 3. We're gonna not use the one with the feather on it tonight. We're gonna let that one hang out. Okay. The last egg is in my hands. That's what my mom taught me. Always clean your hands after handling eggs. Okay. Now we wait. This is the hard part. I don't like this part. The waiting. Also, since these are going in the sandwich, I like to break the yolks. Otherwise, when I'm eating it, you know, it just like explodes. Who wants that? I'm on my computer. I'm not trying to get egg on my computer. Okay, I guess I needed more oil. This is not doing too hot. Oh, there we go. Now we're chefing. There we go. Oh, we flip to it? Okay, I'm gonna have to look back on that one on video. That did not look too good to me. We still got one more to flip here. Okay, that was also kind of bad. But hey, they're all there. They're all still on the pan. So that's a win. Alright, let's prep the meats. We're going with the loin ham here. Rosu Imu. What is it? Wait. Rosu. Oh, ham. Hamu. Rosu Hanru. Pretty good stuff. This lasts me until February 28th, so we're good to go. Alright, now the hard part about this is, this part splits in two here, but it's kind of hard to actually see or get to, so we skip that step. We go straight to the scissors and hope that works. These eggs are gonna start burning soon. I gotta go. Oh no. Please. I need a miracle. Let's try cutting this way. Does this help? Or does this make it worse? No, the eggs are doing fine. I hope. This is a catastrophe. We're gonna have to really get into this here. Alright. The meats are prepped. Oh! I dropped the meats.
Arby's, we have the meats.
Whew. It's not really going my way tonight, huh? I wish I could say I was trying to be this funny. Alright. Ooh, these are good to go. One. Got a little bit on the floor. That's okay. We'll get that later. Alright. Number 2. Looking good. Number 3. Beautiful. Now, what I like to do next is I put the cheese on here. Now, a lot of people say, doesn't the cheese go on top? If that's what you want, sure. But I like to put it in the middle because when you got the hot egg on the bottom and the soon-to-be hot ham on top, it really increases the meltiness factor here. So, we turn the heat down, not too low. Throw some of this ham on there. Do 2 to start. Just a couple seconds to warm it up. Nothing too crazy here. Let it sizzle a bit. All I care is about the heat. It's already been cooked. Alright, that should be enough. Yeah, when it starts smoking like that, that's when I get it out of there. Thankfully I don't have a, I don't have a smoke detector in here. I don't know if I should be saying thankfully, but I don't have one, so all the smoke I've created by trying to cook here has never been an issue, except when I can't see. Sometimes I can't see in the kitchen anymore. But then I found out this vent actually works. I tried it a bunch of times, and it never worked. But once you spun the fan by hand, it turned itself on, so gotta figure these things out by yourself sometimes. Alright. I'm done with the pan. That's tomorrow's issue. Let's get this egg off the floor. We don't want that there. Okay, boom. Sandwich is done. But the meal's not, because where's the vegetables at? You can't have a meal without some vegetables. Otherwise, Mom would get angry. So, what are we gonna do? Well, we got ourselves a nice carrot here. Let's clean it up. Okay. Let's show off the sink, shall we? Oh, it's actually, you can see it already. Quite simple process here. You put water on it. We dry it. Get a little bit of something off of it, maybe. I hope. Okay. Boom. Step is done. Switch cam. We got one of these thingies. I forget what it's called. Oh, a peeler. That's right. It peels. Okay. You start peeling. I do have a cutting board, I think. I haven't used it though. I just peel it over this. Gotta get all the bad parts out of here. We don't want none of that. Okay, boom. Good to go. In the sink. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is tonight's meal. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now you might be wondering, why did I not cut up the carrot? Well, I'm going to eat the whole thing anyways, so why does it matter? It's not a problem. Turn off the fan. Boom. Normally I'd have a little bit more, but I had a big lunch today, so, you know, sometimes you just can't fit it all. And you have to settle for something smaller. But it's beautiful. It's gorgeous, so I'll take it. So, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I will enjoy this meal very much. Good night.